Are you feeling held back by a website that just won't scale? The slow speeds and security risks of outdated systems are costing you growth. We all love WordPress's convenience, but we need Laravel excellence. For too long, you've had to choose between the two. Meet Arweave, the breakthrough CMS developed by Team Laravel to bridge the gap between simplicity and high-performance architecture. Our zero-coding migration suite transforms months of work into a seamless process, moving your entire WordPress site to Laravel with total data integrity. Experience a dashboard designed for humans. Manage complex sites, customize templates, and handle media with ease. No programming skills required. Laravel is built for the modern web. Lightning fast, SEO optimized, and secure by design. It's the robust foundation your business deserves. At Team Laravel, our mission is to eliminate technical barriers. We provide the tools you need to lead your industry without being a developer. Ready to upgrade your digital experience? Join the future of web development. Visit Laravel.com today and unleash your potential.